Computer science was supposed to be the safe degree. In 2026, it has a higher unemployment rate than art history. Not a meme, actual data. I went through the Federal Reserve numbers, the labor stats, the 2026 hiring reports, and almost everyone is blaming the wrong thing. The gap between the CS grads who are thriving and the ones sending 300 applications into the void comes down to one decision. Let me show you. Rewind to 2013. The whole world had one piece of advice: learn to code, guaranteed job, 6 figures, work from anywhere. So this guy listened. He picked computer science. The safe degree, the smart degree, 4 years, data structures, all-nighters, 1,000 bugs. He graduated, class of 2026. He did everything right. Then he started applying. 10 jobs, 50, 300. And the response? Silence, rejection, ghosted. Because here's the number nobody printed on the brochure. Recent computer science grads have a 6% unemployment rate. Higher than history, higher than English, higher than art history. The safe degree is now riskier than fine art. Read that again. But it's not just him. Step back, and the real problem shows up. Everyone took the same advice. Universities doubled the number of CS graduates, from around 50,000 a year to over 110,000. Supply doubled, but entry-level software jobs went the other way. Postings dropped about 65% since 2022. Twice the graduates, a fraction of the jobs. The door got smaller while the crowd got bigger. If you want the version of this story nobody's putting in a headline, stick around because this next part flips it. So, who's to blame? Easy. It's AI, right? AI took the coding jobs. That's every headline. It's what he believed, too. One problem. The Federal Reserve studied over 1 million companies and concluded the slowdown is, quote, not driven, even modestly, by AI. So why does everyone say it is? Because 59% of companies admit they blame AI on purpose. It sounds better to investors than we ran out of money. If it wasn't the robot, who was it? 3 suspects. 1. Layoffs. Over 250,000 tech workers cut in 2 years. So seniors now compete for the same jobs as new grads. 2. A 2022 tax rule called Section 174 that made every American developer more expensive to hire. 3. Interest rates. The cheap money that funded risky entry-level hiring, gone. Boring, structural, unsexy. So everyone just pointed at the robot. But here's the part the doom headlines skip. And it's the most important part. The degree is not dead. Computer science still has the highest starting salary of any major, around $81,000. Still the third most wanted degree by employers. The jobs didn't disappear. They moved to AI infrastructure, cybersecurity, cloud, the people who went deeper than just writing code. The market didn't close, it split. One path stuck at the wall, one path climbing. So the degree didn't lie to him. The easy version did. The path that still works is the harder one. And that's exactly what this channel is about. Subscribe, and I'll show you which skills are actually on the climbing side of that split. That one's next.